Hi, it's Angie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing a series of videos reviewing all the items that are coming out in the August release for OHMbeads.com. I will link the other videos above and below in the information section for you. I have done one on the almost three projects being released in August, and also the Fun Zone, which is the largest collection being released on August 5th from OHMbeads.com. The next item I want to show you is an OHMlab project, and this is in collaboration with Myra, Nicole, and Natasha Cheng Moon, and it's this beautiful Maze of Life bead in the center. As you can see, it's a mind-twisting series of staircases that lead to many doors, and this represents the path of life and all the decisions that we have to make as we climb the stairs, trying to figure out which way we can go. And I also have these traffic light glass beads, which I thought went really well, because obviously in this maze they have to, proceed with caution. They have to stop sometimes, and sometimes they can just go. So I thought that really worked pretty well, and I just love all the detail on this magical bead. It is so complex and has different things on each door. There could be, panels, or there could be a question mark. There are rope details on here. There are little figures either resting or climbing or sitting. This bead is part of the regular collection as an OHMlab project, and it is $65 and will be released with the rest of the collection on August 5th. And it's a big chunky bead, and that is the little design I made. So a quick one for you with this one special bead, and that is Maze of Life. Thanks a lot, and I hope you'll check out the other videos in this series.